Hello, students. This is Preeti Damle, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to study a new chapter named The Summit Within, written by H.P.S. Ahluwalia. Now, the chapter makes the students aware why man takes up tasks which are adventurous. It is to make the students aware of the challenges faced by man and how they overcome them. So, Major Ahluwalia was a member of the first team conquering Mount Everest in 1965. Now, in this extract, he tells about his feelings standing on the highest peak of the world. His first feeling was of humility. He thanked God because the expedition had ended successfully. He was both happy and sad. He felt aggrieved because he had reached the summit, and after that, there would be nothing higher to climb. Climbing Mount Everest gives a deep sense of joy, which lasts for a long time. The experience changes one completely. It was a conquest of a high mountain. When climbing down from the top, he asked himself why he had chosen to climb. This achievement became a thing of the past. It would fade with passing of time. He questioned himself as to why people wish to climb high mountains. The simplest answer is that it is a difficult task, and man feels great in overcoming difficulties. Climbing a mountain is a tough task because it tests one's physical strength and willpower. The writer then proceeds to answer the personal question. Mountains had an attraction for him since his childhood. He missed them while he was away from them. Their beauty and grandeur presented a challenge. Above all, mountains are a way to feel close to God. But why Everest? He chose it because it was the highest and the most challenging task. It was a hard struggle with rocks and ice. When he stood on the summit, he felt the joy of having done something great, of achieving great victory. The call of Everest draws him to it. It is difficult to tell the reason for climbing. It is like answering why one breathes or why you do good acts. The success is followed by a sense of fulfillment or satisfaction. It is a proof of man's love for nature, adventure. He left on Everest a picture of Guru Nanak. Rawat left a picture of Goddess Durga. Poo Dorji left a relic of the Buddha. Edmund Hillary had buried a cross in the snow. These are not symbols of conquest, but of reverence. Now, there is another summit to climb. It is within yourself, your own mind, The most difficult task is to know oneself. One has to do it all alone and himself. Nobody can do it for you. The writer's experience as an Everester inspired him to face life's ordeals boldly. Thank you.